What's up, everybody? Welcome to Bonsai Den Haag. A nice junction, so I can make here a multi-trunk tree. So with the sharp knife, you wanna cut the thickness of the branch or trunk. So this trunk is more or less 2 fingers thick. So you want to make a cut like this, two fingers thick, and the roots will start on the bottom. And then you can scrape if you see anything like this out. And then I'm gonna close it off, the part above. So, and here is the end result. And now we will wait until we have some roots here to cut it off. I'll come back once I have the roots. A year later, and I'm going to show you today this air layer that I made. Let's see how it come out. I already saw that there are some roots here, so I'm gonna cut here and then plant it somewhere else. So let's see how this turned out. Be careful. Cut a little bit. I'm gonna cut a few of these big branches. Back. All right. Now take the wire off in the back. So the air layer so far is successful. We have a lot of roots. Now I have to see how I'm gonna plant it in the spot. See where the roots start. To be gentle to gently remove the moss. The roots are still very fragile, so be a nice multiple trunk tree. And it looks like I almost have roots all around. So I'll leave it for what it is. I think I'll not try to remove any more moss. Now I have to cut back right here. So as you can see, I cut here below. So now I can try to fixate the tree here, because the roots are very sensitive, so I need to fixate the tree with the trunk. So I'll use the middle part here with some aluminum wire to fixate the trunk. Before I will place some soil underneath. Like this. Now I can place my tree and spread it. Like this. Spread the roots. Now I can feel soil. This now I can reuse a little bit of the moss. Top. Okay. And the tree behind it is the monster Texas that I did the repot with Vera, one of my students. I haven't got it on video, but soon I will do the second styling of this tree and I'll show you to you.